Today we're making keto tacos. Veg for this one is bell peppers, onions, a little bit of lemon, and some cabbage. For a fine chop on the bell peppers and onions, they're going to be mixed in with the chicken before we saute it. To the guacamole, we're smashing up one avocado. You could do more if you'd like. Hit it with some Tony seasoning, some fresh lemon, and a little bit of mayonnaise, and then mix it up. Shred some cabbage. We're using old footage because I forgot to record. Not pictured as a chicken man. That includes garlic powder, smoked paprika, some salt and pepper, and some cumin. Cook the chicken thoroughly, deglaze with a little bit of chicken stock, and hit it with some fresh lemon juice. To the plate. Assemble these however you'd like. We prefer lots of guacamole and hot sauce, and a little bit of cheese to top them off. We're also serving this with the green salsa sauce, and the tortillas will be linked in the description below for those recipes. These tacos are delicious. They're great for the weeknight when you're busy. Until next time, thanks for watching.